ऐसे नहीं मैंने बोल दी कि ये इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत अच्छा है, सर बदर मुनीर साहब बहुत अच्छे हैं, क्योंकि मैंने 2-3 इंस्टीट्यूट से मैं अटैच हूँ, उनसे मैंने कोचिंग भी ली है, वहाँ से मैंने मतलब ये कोर्स भी किया है। सर बदर मुनीर का टीचिंग का अंदाज ही बहुत अच्छा है।
हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा, प्रैक्टिकली भी और थियोरेटिकली भी, और हमने विजन के जरिए भी बहुत कुछ लर्न किया।
Students, it's really quite appreciative, and as my experience here, as you know that I'm a latecomer, so I have nothing to share with you, but the teacher preferences which they give to students, they are outstanding. I've never seen in my life. As I have private meeting with the sir, so I told to sir that really sir, I have been with many institutes and being the student of university, so I have never been given that much preference which you have given me just in these 2-3 classes. So thank you, thanks a lot. And another thing, I have been with I think with thousands of students, as I can say, as I guess, but the students which I am now with, these are on their honor and their respected basis are outstanding, like the quality and the love which they share to each one another, they are irrepressible, right?